Okay, the question reads, write the IUPAC name of the organic compound below. And the organic compound which were given below there, if we look at it, to which homologous series does it belong to? This belongs to a haloalkane. So, looking on it, we should use the IUPAC rules to answer such a question. So, what are these rules? Rule number one, these rules, they go step by step. So, which means rule number one takes step one, which is identify the longest carbon continuous chain, which may include the functional group, and make it a parent chain. That becomes our first rule. So when we are identifying, let's see where we have the longest carbon continuous chain. So can it be 1, 2, 3? No. Can it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No. Can it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Yes, it can be. Let's check again on another one. Can it be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Yes, we can see, but if we take this one, which is coming from down here, then to the right, we are leaving how many carbon? We are leaving 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms outside the main or the parent chain. So we must take the straight one. So this means that our longest chain is going to be this one, which I am encircling. So if this is our longest chain, then we now need to go to the next rule. What is the next rule saying? The next rule says number your carbon atoms starting from the nearest end with what? With the functional group, comma, side chain or substituent. And please note, the side chain and substituents are not given priority over each other. So what does that mean? It means that where you are given a side chain and a substituent, you should not choose the side because of the reason of saying this side has got a substituent or this side has got a side chain. So now let's see. Let's number our carbon atoms starting from the nearest end. We start from right to left. We're going to say 1, 2. At position number 2, we're meeting a substituent. Now let's go to the left. From left to right, 1, 2. At position number 2, we're meeting a side chain. But these two are said not to be given priority over each other. So which means, what should we do? Because we have met a tie now. From right to left at position number 2, there is a substituent. And from left to right at position number 2, there is a side chain. So it's a tie. We must look for a tiebreaker. Now let's go to the next step now. The next step, let's look on both sides. Let's start from right here. Let's start from right to what? To left. So if we start from right to left, let's number our carbon atoms. We're saying it's 1, carbon 1 here, 2 there, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now looking on it, since there are 6 carbon atoms, was saying the parent chain here is hexane. The parent chain is hexane. So now let's check now. Want to look on another aspect again. Now let's check now. Let's go to grade 1 and say at position number 2, what do we have? We've got a substituent, right? Substituent, position number 2 plus. At position number 4, we've got a side chain, which is an ethyl there, position number 4. Now at position number 5, we've got another side chain. So this is going to give us what? It gives us a total of 11. Now, if we get a total of 11 from right to left, now let's again go to the next side, which is from left to what? To right. So if you go from left to right here, what are we going to have from left to right? Let's number our carbon atoms starting from left to right. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So when we look on that now, we're saying, let's now check from left to right. At position number 2, what do we have? We've got a side chain. At position number 3, what do we have? We've got another side chain here. This is a side chain. And at position number 5, we have got a substituent. This gives us a total of what? A total of 10. So our rule now says take the lower sum. You take the lower sum. So which means we're going to take the one from left to right. So from left to right is what we're going to take, which means we're going to remove this one which starts from right to left. We're going to remove these ones which start from right to left. We remove these ones, we remove that. We're left with from left to right. So after that, what do we need to do? Let's go and give positions of our side chain and substituents. So at position number 5, we've got 5 what? 5 bromo. And at position number 3, we've got what? We've got position number 3 what? 3 ethyl. And at position number 2, we've got 2 what? 2 methyl. Okay, so these are the side chains and substituents we have. Now the next rule, now that is rule number 3, it says write your name alphabetically. Now what starts first, bromo, ethyl, or methyl? What starts is bromo, and bromo is on position number what? Position number 5. So position number 5 is for bromo, so it's a 5 bromo. Now what comes next now alphabetically? E or M, it's E. So it's 3 ethyl, then 2 methyl hexane. So in between the number and the letter, we separate them by a hyphen. In between the letter and the number, we separate them by a hyphen. So which means we're saying it's 5 hyphen bromo hyphen 3 hyphen ethyl hyphen 2 hyphen methyl hexane. There is no space in between methyl and hexane there. It is just a one word. The whole of this one is a one word, so there is no need for us to put a capital letter here at this B, because our capital character have come from on 5. So our 5 become our capital character, it become our capital letter, and then the rest are in small letters. I hope you got it. If you did not get it, forget about it, because this is crystal clear.